Hey, what's going on? I was just stopping by. What you working on? Dude, I got this G&L Skyhawk right here doing some mods on it. Check this out. So we got your volume, right? Master volume. You got your 5-way switch. But right here is a TBX Tone Pot. TBX Tone Pot, what's that? Oh, so this is the TBX Tone Control, which stands for Treble Bass Expander. It's basically a stacked 250K 1 meg control that enhances your tonal palette without the use of a battery. From 0 to 5, it's your standard tone control, but once you pass 5, the resistance decreases, which allows more bass, treble, presence, and output to the flow of your amp. A lot of people think it's a treble boost, but that's not quite right. It actually cuts the bass and treble out of the circuit, which can add some new dimension to your solos, especially if you're going for those bright, crystal clear Jeff Beck tones. Whoa, that sounds awesome. Well, what's the other knob? Oh, this one right here. Oh, this is the Clapton Mid-Boost Circuit. Well, what does that do? Oh, dude, this is what you need to take any wimpy strat and give it that big, fat humbucker tone. It's a 5-way rotary switch, so position 1 is passive off. It removes the circuit from your guitar signal, so if your battery craps out, it doesn't matter, it's back to normal. Position 2 is the active mode. Tonally unchanged, but low impedance output. This is what you need to drive a string of foot pedals with no signal loss. Position 3 is the rock setting. It's a solid mid-boost with a little bit of gain, but it really drives that amp well. And it's a great match for thinner strat pickups. Position 4 is the Clapton mid thing. It's enough gain and mid boost to make your strat rock, but not too hot so you still hear the attack of the single coils. Position 5 is the hard rock mode. Big mid boost, big gain boost, decent treble, but it turns a lifeless guitar into a tonal screamer. You want to rock out with a strat, this is the setting. Even vintage Alnico pickups sound like high gain humbuckers on that mode. And the mid-booster runs on only one 9-volt battery, which lasts over 4,400 hours. The battery just squeezes right in between the switch and the volume pot, but some people take out this middle tone and make a master tone in the third one here, and then they put the mid-boost in the middle, and it's a perfect little pocket for the battery there too. Whoa, I can't wait to hear that. Stay tuned for part 2.